Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 1, 2, 3 massive boxes to unbox here in the back room of the store. We will be making these things available on hookedonpickin.com, and so it may take us a little bit, but check the website and it'll be there. So I think we've got some toys, some health and beauty, some other stuff in here. Not quite sure, so we're going to open it and find out. Alright, so this one and this one are super heavy. Paul almost broke himself putting it up on the table.
I did.
Literally,
I almost died.
Yeah, he did almost die. And then, not sure what's in that one, but it's not near as heavy. So we're just going to start with the closest one.
I'm hoping they threw in gold bars just for fun.
Yeah, $1,000 gold bars.
This is Diamond Visions. A lot of people ask us where we get our stuff. This is Diamond Visions. They're a wholesaler from Wisconsin. A great state of Wisconsin.
Alright, here's a box inside of a box.
Ooh.
I know. What are these fun things before I open this?
Remember those?
Remember these when we were kids?
I do remember.
We need to put some of these definitely online.
Oh, yeah.
For sure online. But we're going to put some of these on the store, too.
Let me see one of those. I'll show them there. See these? Remember these ice pop makers?
Yeah.
We used to put soda in ours. Soda or lemonade?
I always did Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid were great, too.
Hey, we can make our little Crystal Light ones, and then they're sugar-free.
Yeah, you could.
So, anyway. Ooh, look at this.
Who wants a sugar-free?
Doug
Look at that.
launches balls ultra far. Pick up the ball, hands free. It's a tennis ball thrower.
Yeah. You can really chuck it.
You can really chuck it. Speaking of chucking this
Chucking?
tennis ball, Lexi, I'm going to brag on my kid for a minute. Lexi made a double play from right field.
Yeah, she did.
She threw the ball. She caught a pop fly from right field and then threw it home, and the catcher caught it. It was amazing.
It was
Who
good.
was also named Lexi. And they made the out and ended the game.
It was great
like,
play.
Amazing. Yep.
Great play.
If you're a Facebook friend of mine, you can check it.
The runner was on third. She tagged up when Lexi caught it, and Lexi
tied.
threw her home.
Yep.
Yeah.
Threw it home
Won the
from
game.
Right field.
It was beautiful.
It was amazing. Sorry, had to
Storybook.
brag for a minute. It was one of those like Hallmark moment kind of endings of a baseball movie, softball movie. Okay, these are keychains, squishy keychains.
Squishy keychains.
Squishy keychains.
I think we had those at one time.
Yes, we have them in the store right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, these are nice. Squish keychains. See?
Yep.
All right.
They're not very expensive, but they always sell.
So I'm gonna just kind of stack some of these in here.
I'm trying to figure out what was so stinking heavy in this box.
Yeah.
Because none of that looks super heavy.
All right.
And like normal, I always kind of forget what I order.
Well, it takes so long to get here. Sometimes we don't get right away on unboxing, unless it's Little Red Kitchen, then we always unbox that right away.
Yeah, need to. Yep.
All right. Here is some more of those launchers.
An orange one. You get your choice.
You get your choice of color.
I'm thinking about doing a pet section in the store.
What is down here? Oh, here's some more. Oh, here's green. Here's blue.
Ooh, green. I didn't even know there were multicolors.
All right. What is in this box? This is kind of heavy.
I could be getting weaker, though.
No. Oh, bungee cords.
Bungees. Gotta love some bungees.
You know, these are handy just in general.
Yep.
And we don't really have a hardware store in New Baden, the town that we're in now, and so these would be perfect.
There's Ace Hardware.
Well, you're right.
There's Ace Hardware.
But it's not on the main road. People forget about it. Like, I've told a couple people to go there to get stuff, and they forget. So this is cool. Bunch of bungee cords.
Yeah.
So we'll put these online, and we'll put some in the store. So we're slowly getting to the point where we're able to keep excess inventory now that we have the bigger space.
Mm-hmm.
And so for those of you who have noticed, we haven't really sold out of our candy bars online. Trying to
keep up on them.
Week or so. Now, cotton candy is a little scary. We just made another order, and when is it going to ship?
A month from now, they say delivery date is.
Yeah.
I'm like, what in the world? But I ordered a whole bunch of different kinds.
Yep.
It looks like they are almost seasonal with their cotton candy. It's like
you can get certain flavors,
yes,
certain kinds.
they don't always make all of the cotton candy that you're used to.
Okay. This is hats, I think. We were sold out.
Bling hats. Yep. We have those online right now.
Yep. So
those could probably just go directly into the store.
yeah, because we have I think all the kinds online. We'll check and make sure. If we don't, then we will put the ones that are missing.
I just stocked that Saturday, I think.
Oh, back on the store?
Yep.
All right, here's another, this I think
Bling
says
caps.
bling cap as well. Well, these aren't very heavy. It must be those boxes in the bottom.
I could be getting weaker.
No, those that little bungee cord box was crazy heavy. What are these?
So they're being
Oh, perfect.
Boom.
4th of July and Memorial Day are coming up. So these are awesome.
Those sold really well on our fire sale also.
On the store, on the hookedonpickin.com. Buy one there and one in the store. Okay. Yeah, whatever's in there is really, really, really heavy.
We have a customer.
All right.
We'll be right back.
All right, so we're back. We had a few customers in the store. Oh my goodness. This is really, really heavy. So you are not weak, Paul.
It's good. Bodycology.
This is probably some sort of health and beauty product. Oh my goodness.
Don't die.
Okay.
Don't die.
All right. Okay.
This side up. Oh, they're in displays, so.
Yeah, I'm trying not to hold on.
Oh, she's gonna go for it.
There.
What do we got there?
Okay. Remove top of box. I'm just gonna open up the display here. Oh! Well, that's why it was so heavy.
Boom!
These things are really heavy.
8 bath fizzies. Dark cherry orchid.
Nice. That whole box is that? Is that what this is?
$1,000.
Dark cherry orchid. I'm not going to pull that one
Beautiful.
out because it's really heavy. Just going to move this down here.
Sure.
Okay. Woo! Well, now
Those
we know
will
what
sell.
that is.
We sell these online pretty well.
Yep.
It's a large bag for it.
It is. It's 8 bath fizzies, and the scent is amazing.
Yep.
So.
I think you can also get it at Walmart sometimes.
Sometimes.
The Bodycology.
Yeah.
But our prices are cheaper.
We always try to be cheaper
Ha-ha.
than Walmart. Low prices. Nuh-uh, Walmart.
There you
Hooked
go.
on Pickin
Ooh,
is
she
lower
got
than you.
feisty. Did you see
I
that?
got feisty and sassy there, didn't you?
Look out.
All right, what else we got? Okay, some more of these.
More Bodycology.
That just got demolished in the display.
Ooh, well,
But
we got
the
enough
bags are
displays though.
fine.
Yep.
So.
We'll pretty much split it. Half
Yeah.
goes online, half goes in the store.
Yep.
And
Or
it's a
if we run
race.
out online.
Customers again. We'll be back.
All right, what else we got in here? Oh, here's some I Love Jesus keychains.
Yeah, we sold out of those almost instantly.
Yes, and now we can get them again. So that's awesome. We got some more dog throwers. Blue and green.
They don't throw dogs. Do not throw your dog.
I used to say pet treat throwers, and that was don't
That's
throw your
true.
pet all the time, too.
Don't throw your pet.
Dog, ball, thrower, pet, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. All right, what is this? All right, sparkle poop surprise.
Oh, yes, it is.
You need us some sparkle poop.
You have to dig through the poop to get to the surprise. That is a genius idea.
One vinyl figure.
Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Sparkle poop surprise.
Sparkle poop surprise. Everybody
in
needs
there.
a sparkle poop.
Dig through your poop to get to the surprise.
Everybody needs a dig through poop. No, don't dig through poop.
Don't
That's
dig
weird.
through poop, everybody.
Yep.
But in that, you can.
Yep. Poop digging. Poop digging. What do I even say?
We're having a good time,
Yes.
everybody.
All right. Get these out of the way here.
I think those are going to sell well, I think.
They will. All right, we got some more 4th of
Socks.
July socks.
I wonder what they just threw in a bag. Is that a Walmart bag? Or it just says have a
Have a
nice...
nice day, thank you.
It's weird.
Okay, they even tied it in a knot. I'm gonna have to just bust it open here. Game dice? Anyone?
Game dice. Oh, is it the clip strip?
Might be the clip strip.
Yeah, there's the clip strip. I tried to order some clip strips, and these came with actual little toys and whatnot. That way we can Maximize the profits at the store.
Okay, we'll have to figure out how to do that.
Okay. Maybe that's what the bags are. The toy with the clip strip. I bet you that's what they did.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
So what's this toy? Oh, this is the hand and feet.
Of course. Isn't that perfect?
That is perfect. We have a whole health and beauty section.
I apparently ordered some mesh squish balls too. Another clip strip with the laser pet toy.
Various different colors of those. All right, here we've got more bath bombs.
I ordered every squish toy they had.
Oh my goodness, these things go like hotcakes in the store and online.
Yeah, they do.
So here's the squish ball that is glittery.
Glorious.
Glorious, glittery. All right, sorry, I had to play with it for a little bit. All right, then we have, after the glittery ones, we have these. These are
It's taped.
Okay. Oh, these are the multicolored
Rainbow.
ones.
I think they light up too.
Do you think? Hold on.
Look at that.
Cool beans with
Glorious.
the Orbeez in it. Then we have more
More of the same, probably.
Orbeez, and then this right here.
Ooh. Ah.
What are these? Squeeze animals.
This is where you get to squeeze animals. We don't want you to throw your animal nor squeeze them unless they're this.
Oh my! What is that? It's a unicorn.
It is a conglomerate of a unicorn.
What in the world? It's
Ooh, just squeeze the stuff out of them. Beautiful.
But it's like a freakish looking unicorn. It looks terrified.
Yep.
Look at it. It's looking at you like, ah.
It's a ball that they stuck a unicorn head on.
It is.
And legs.
Some kid is going to love this.
It's a little fat unicorn.
We have yellow, blue, and pink.
That's beautiful, Heather.
That's amazing. All right. Then we have a giant box in here.
Why don't we just open it here?
Because there's no way to open it. Because it's on its side. Hold on. I'm going to do this. Watch.
Oh, I was going crazy. There you go.
Okay, hold on. Strategically get this out.
It's made in... How do you say that? How do you pronounce that word? China? I think it's made in China.
China? Is that how you say it?
Sounds like a very foreign land.
You're ridiculous, Paul.
I am ridiculous.
Okay, I think I finally got it out of the box. There. Okay.
Somebody was getting on me about buying stuff from China, and then I looked at an American flag that we had here in the store. Guess where it was made?
China.
China. I was just like, really? We don't even make our flags anymore. What's going on?
We need to remedy that.
Yeah.
Oh, these are the scissors. This is a whole box of scissors. This sells like hotcakes in the store.
Yeah, it does.
Look at that.
Boom.
Scissors. These are really nice, sharp.
We should just sell the whole box as a Mother's Day gift. Boom. For that mom that always loses her scissors, just buy her a whole case of scissors.
So that's what was so heavy in this one, because both of those cases are full of scissors, and this is a really,
beautiful,
really heavy box. All right, so I'm just going to scooch this over.
We're down to one box.
One more box.
Keep having to pause it because customers keep coming in. It's a wonderful thing to have.
We had some people we have not seen in probably 5 or 6 years walk into the store today.
Yeah.
So that was really fun.
They knew us from church, and then former pastor came in. Pastor Clay came in, so that was awesome.
Here's Mesh. Yeah, he was the former youth pastor. The first youth pastor James had.
Yeah.
Did I get that? There we go.
More squish stuff.
Squish balls. Here's the ball. Oh, it's got a crazy face on it.
It's got a face. Little
different kind
winky
of crazy
face.
faces.
Is it smiling at you? What's the blue face?
Hearts.
Ooh, the blue one's in love. And the yellow one?
Just a cute little adorable cutie face.
Boom. Almost looks like Pikachu.
It does look like Pikachu. And it's yellow. All right. What else we got? Oh, I know what these are. We've been out of these forever. We couldn't get them, I think. Perfect for grilling season.
Yeah.
Hamburger patty press.
Beautiful.
Make yourself some patties. So it's got a bottom piece and a top piece, and then you
That sells so well for us during the summer.
Well, we don't charge nothing for them. That's
I
why.
know. But still,
Yeah.
we get them pretty good deal.
Yeah, we get them for a good deal, so we still make money. Just
Is that the same thing?
no. So it's 36 pieces. Oh, this is more bungee cords.
Beautiful.
Okay. So that
We have loaded up on some bungee cords.
was, oh, that's one of the heavy things in the box. Okay. This is,
You'll have to cut the bottom because that will be its
see
base.
that.
See that there? What do we have?
it's a surprise. Okay.
Oop.
Sorry. Did I just cut you?
You did.
Sorry. He's bleeding out
Yep.
right now.
I have a gushing finger right now. I knew it was bound to happen one day.
One day.
She's very dangerous with knives. Oh my word.
It makes different sounds. Okay, ready? I'm going to push it really hard.
That is way too high
Really
squeegee.
high-pitched.
So what do we got? Hamburgers, and what?
Hamburgers and French fries.
And fries.
Is there a hot dog or anything in here? Hold on. There's a hot dog. Look at that hot dog face. It's hilarious.
Beautiful. I like that they're hamburger and fries.
Yeah,
and
that is
hot
really
dogs.
cool. This is super fun. Oh, there's ones. Here's hamburgers with sesame buns.
Of course,
I
we
think.
could be training our dogs
To eat McDonald's?
to eat hamburgers off the plate.
It's true.
You never know.
I better hurry up and finish this. Otherwise, Paul's going to bleed out.
I'm gonna bleed out. I'm getting woozy. No, I'm good.
The camera starts shaking.
It only scratched me a little.
It was bound to happen, though, because I'm very
Yep.
reckless with those goofy
I've had several
Why do
close
you
calls
let
toward
me
my.
still do this?
Well, because you're amazing at this. If I have to get cut by, uncontrollable box cutters, then so be it.
Uncontrollable box cutters, he says.
Yep.
Okay, are these the same thing? Hold on. Yes, these are both the same thing.
Beautiful.
Let me just do the one closest to you so that I can
Oh, so you can cut me?
with the blade.
So you can get the blade as close as possible to me?
No, so the
Thanks,
camera.
thanks,
won't see it.
Heather.
All right. Oh, hey, awesome.
Hairbrushes.
Hairbrushes. It's got a little
It's a
display.
whole display.
It's cool.
Every hairbrush you can imagine.
It is. So it's got the wet hairbrush, and then it's got the little spinny ones.
Is that what they're for? Spinning?
No, this is you heat your you use the hair dryer, and then you put your hair in here, and then the metal actually curls it. Yeah.
I did not know that.
And then you end up with luscious locks like this lady.
Wow.
Yep.
That is some hair right
That's
there.
some hair. And then we have just the regular traditional hairbrushes too. That's cool. All right, so that is all the fun stuff. We're going to try to put a bunch of this online. So be on the lookout. Basically in the toys and then the health and beauty category, I think, is where most of this is going to end up.
I think so. Yeah.
We may do a few home
Kitchen, maybe the
like
ice pop makers.
the ice pop makers
Yeah.
and stuff. So yeah, just check out all the new stuff on Hooked
And if for some reason we can't get it, you'll see it on the fire sale.
Yeah, you will. All right. So we're gonna go Dr. Paul up since I'm
bleeding out.
He is bleeding out and about to die.
It's nothing.
It's
It's
nothing.
absolutely nothing. We're making a big deal. So see on my hand. See, it's just a tiny little speck of blood.
Yep. So anyway,
I have
Now I feel
I
bad.
take clotting medication all the time
I-
for
it
just
is.
for fun.
just for
So-
fun because he
so-
lives with me. That's what it is.
So I'm used to getting cut by Heather.
Now I feel
so.
really, really bad. No, stop saying they make me sound like a
There's
psycho.
ways to make it up to me.
Listen.
I'm just saying. There is ways to make it up to me.
We're gonna go now before I get roped into something that I don't want to do. You guys have a good day, and of course, remember at the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.